Redefining abstraction with Frank Bowling's colourful canvases. Sir Frank Bowling stands as a beacon in the realm of abstract art, pioneering a path that blends the vibrancy of life with the depth of imagination. His journey reshapes our understanding of colour and form, inviting viewers into a world where every hue sings with emotional richness. Bowling's evolution as an artist mirrors the ever-changing tapestry of human experience, capturing hearts with his bold use of colour and fearless exploration of the canvas. As Bowling's artistic style matured, so did his mastery over colour, transforming it into a language of its own. This evolution marks a journey of self-discovery and experimentation, where colours do not just fill space but breathe life into it. Through his hands, pigments tell stories of joy, struggle and redemption, painting a tapestry that stretches beyond the visual to touch the soul. Diving deeper into Bowling's paintings, the significance of colour emerges as a powerful narrative force. Each stroke and shade carries a weight, a whisper of stories untold, emotions unexpressed. Bowling's palette is not just a choice, but a dialogue with the viewer, where each colour resonates with the multifaceted experiences of life, inviting us to find our own stories within his canvases. Bowling's art is a fusion of personal and cultural narratives, a testament to the journey of an artist who traverses between worlds. His work is a bridge connecting his Guyanese heritage with his British and American influences, creating a rich visual language that speaks to the complexities of identity and belonging. This blend of narratives invites us to reflect on our own stories, encouraging a deeper understanding of the diverse tapestry that defines humanity. The impact of geography on Bowling's art reveals a profound connection between place, memory, and colour. His thematic choices and hues are deeply influenced by the landscapes of his youth and the cities that shaped his artistic journey. This geographical narrative weaves through his work, offering viewers a glimpse into the artist's world, a world where colour and memory intertwine, crafting a visual language that transcends borders and unites us in the universal experience of beauty. Frank Bowling's journey into the abstract is a testament to the power of experimentation. His techniques breathe life into canvases, inviting us to explore the unknown with courage and curiosity. It is his fearless exploration of new materials and methods that has cemented Bowling as a pioneer, reminding us that growth often lies beyond the comfort zone. In understanding the layers of meaning in Bowling's colourful expressions, we uncover the depth of human emotion. Each stroke and hue tells a story, a vivid reflection of life's complex beauty. Bowling masterfully demonstrates that art is not just seen but felt, encouraging us to look closer and connect on a deeper level. The influence of historical art movements on Bowling's work serves as a bridge between past and present, showcasing the evolution of creativity. His ability to draw inspiration from the likes of abstract expressionism and pop art, while injecting his unique perspective, inspires us to appreciate the continuum of artistic innovation. The dialogue between materiality and colour in Bowling's paintings invites us to consider the relationship between substance and vision. His experimental approach to textures and hues challenges us to rethink the boundaries of art, proving that creativity knows no limits. Exploring the emotional depth of Bowling's colour palette reveals the artist's skill in conveying complex feelings through colour. Each canvas is a journey into the soul, a reminder that art has the power to move and transform us, urging us to embrace the full spectrum of our emotions. In the vibrant world of Frank Bowling's art, the intersection of identity and aesthetics emerges as a powerful testament to the artist's journey. His canvases become a bridge between personal experiences and universal beauty, inviting viewers to explore the depths of their own identities through his abstract expressions. This fusion not only enriches the visual experience, but also ignites a dialogue on the importance of cultural representation in art. Bowling's background, rich with diverse influences, plays a crucial role in shaping his use of colour. Each hue tells a story, a narrative deeply rooted in his heritage and travels. This personal palette not only adds depth to his work, but also serves as a beacon, guiding the viewer through a journey of discovery and reflection. It's a reminder that art, at its core, is a reflection of life's myriad hues. The technological innovation behind Bowling's colourful abstractions marks a significant milestone in the realm of art. His pioneering techniques, blending traditional methods with modern experiments, showcase a relentless pursuit of new ways to captivate and communicate. This dedication not only elevates his work, but also inspires a new generation of artists to explore uncharted territories of expression. Viewing Bowling's paintings in person offers an unparalleled experience, where the vibrancy of his colors and the texture of his canvases speak directly to the soul. It's an intimate encounter with his vision, where the emotional depth and complexity of his work are truly felt. This personal engagement invites a deeper appreciation and understanding of the transformative power of art. Decoding the symbolism in Bowling's color choices reveals a layered narrative of history, culture, and personal journey. Each color, each stroke carries a weight, a memory, a piece of a larger puzzle that challenges and enriches our understanding of abstract art. Through his work, Bowling invites us to look beyond the surface and dive into a world where color speaks a universal language of emotion and connection. Frank Bowling's legacy in the realm of abstract art is a beacon of inspiration, illuminating the boundless potentials of color and form. His pioneering spirit has paved the way for artists to explore the depths of their creativity, demonstrating that art is not just a reflection of reality, but a bold reimagining of it. The critical reception of Bowling's colorful expressions over the years has been nothing short of transformative. It challenges us to look beyond the canvas and see the world through a kaleidoscope of hues, encouraging a deeper appreciation for the emotional power of color. Studying Frank Bowling's artistic methods offers invaluable lessons on innovation, perseverance, and the importance of embracing one's unique voice. His journey underscores the educational value of art, teaching us that the process of creation is as significant as the final piece. The future of abstract art, inspired by Bowling's innovations, promises a vibrant landscape of endless possibilities. His influence encourages emerging artists to experiment boldly, break boundaries, and express their innermost thoughts and feelings through the universal language of color. In the universal language of color in Bowling's paintings, we find a profound message of unity and diversity. His work reminds us that art has the power to connect us across different cultures and experiences, inspiring a world where creativity knows no bounds. Curious about more content like this? Subscribe now and activate the notifications by hitting the bell icon.